Welcome to Rare History Photos. Please consider subscribing for more amazing historical pictures.
In 1880, a mother and daughter watch a tall ship navigate the Thames in London. Helen Koenig was only 17 when in February of 1949, photographer Richard Harrington took this photo of her descending into the gigantic igloo her father built near Arviat, with the Arctic sun blazing behind her. Photographer Max Ferrar took this magnificent picture in the year 1905 of children dancing in the Black Forest village in Germany. In the year 1908, this covered wagon safely took this young family all the way to settle in Kansas for a brighter future. This Albanian woman from Italy poses for the camera in the year 1905 at Ellis Island. Two girls wearing pants have a great time playing outside in Washington, D.C. during the Knickerbocker blizzard of January 28, 1922. It was named the Knickerbocker Blizzard after the theater of that name that collapsed under heavy snow, killing 98 people. These Idaho men construct a pipe system through the land out of wood in 1891. In 1856, a man stands atop of a colossal figure of Ramses. These two gigantic structures that are carved out of rock in the 13th century BC are the Abu Simbel temples in Nubia located in southern Egypt. In 1892, these Iowa children have fun in their classroom surrounded by blackboards with their cursive practice. A man risks his life trying to fix the telephone lines at an intersection in Pratt, Kansas during the year 1911. The town of Deadwood, Dakota during the busy gold rush days in 1876. The Noonan family in Lawrence, Massachusetts stand proudly in a line showing each of their 15 members in the 1920s. A cow helps transport 7 Washington school children across a field during the year 1907. A recently evicted sharecropper family find a safe haven at a Butler County, Missouri temporary camp in the year 1939. In 1921, this Scottish farmer tends to his horse.